The left-hand side History soft key is where you can view your missed incoming and outgoing calls. If the left-hand side soft key displays View, this is because you have missed calls. To access the call history, press on the left-hand side soft key. You can use the left and right navigation key to scroll through the different call logs. Once you have found the log you would like to view, you can use the down navigation key to scroll through the log entries. When you have selected the entry you want to view, press on the Select button in the center of your navigation key. This will show you the details of that call. To exit, press on the Back soft key. If you would like to call back a log entry, use the navigation keys to scroll to the entry and press on the green Answer key to dial. If you would like to clear the entries in all call logs, noting this cannot be recovered, press on the Options soft key and scroll down to the Delete All option. Select the OK soft key. To confirm deletion, press on the Yes soft key.